everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Mini-O-Grabox by Hexagon for September month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But first of all, let me tell you the price for a monthly subscription. Price for a monthly subscription is only 279 rupees, which is amazing. So yes, it's very, very, very affordable, which I absolutely love. So now let's start with the info card. First thing is this. It says September Mini-O-Grabox. On the other side, it has list of all the product. So let's start with the first one. The first one is by Hexagon, and this is Kaolin clay. It says cleansing and detoxifying clay. And you can just see the size. It's huge. 80 gram is the quantity. The price for this one is 250 rupees. The manufacturer is August 2019 and best before 3 years. So yes, and I think most of you know that Kaolin clay is a very useful product. You can just make anything out of it. Like you can use it in your daily DIY packs for your skin. So for acne, this is very good. For you can use it, like you can make a scrub out of it. Then you can use it as a dry shampoo. So a very, very, very useful product. So yes, I'm super happy with this. Thank you, Hexagon, because I know I will be using it for sure, and it's very useful product. The next one is by Animate, and this is the aloe vera and vitamin E facial oil capsules. So this is the one. This is how it looks. You just have to open it, take one capsule, cut it, and then you can just use it on your face. So, but of course, very good for your skin. Vitamin E and aloe vera, the combination is just super nice. And yeah, so super happy, super useful product for me. The price for this one is 250 rupees. And this is how it looks. Now, moving on to the next one. The next one is by Yancy. Okay, Yancy. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, so this is by Yancy, and this is the Sweet Summer Tint. The price for this one is 400, and I love the packing. You can just see. So it's very colorful, very nice packing, very girly packing. So definitely liking it. Let me just open it. The packing is quite interesting. Okay. Okay, so this is the one, and wow, so this is how it looks, and you have to open it. Wow, it's very interesting. So you just have to rotate this, and this is how it works. So yes, I like it, and this is the shade. Oops, it's not actually okay. So this is how it looks. A very pretty shade, a party shade actually. Reddish kind of a shade. So yes, I like it. I love the packing. It's super cute, super compact. You can just keep it in your handbag and it won't take a lot of space, and it looks nice. So yes, super happy with this one. The price for this one is 400 rupees. Now, moving on to the next one. The next one is by MN. Okay, and this is the CC Color Corrector. Corrector. So this is the one, and you have 3 different shades for this. What you can do is, once you order your box, what you can do is you can just contact them on Instagram, and you can just tell your order number, your shade, whatever shade you want on Instagram, and they will send you the shade according to your skin type, according to your choice, which is nice. So I have got this. The price for this one is 200 rupees, and this is the color corrector highlighter. So you can just, of course, a useful product. And right now, yes, my skin is actually very bad. So yes, thank you for this. Now I'm left with the last one. The last one is the Hexagon loop earrings, and these are the one. The price for these is 150 rupees. And let me just open it and show you. These are very safe. Let me tell you, you can just mix and match. I mean, you can just wear them on anything on this world. So yes, I like such earring when you don't really want to do lots of mehnat. You can just wear such earrings, and you know, these will go with everything in this world, I guess. So super nice, looking nice. And that's all what I have received in my Mini-O-Grabox for September month. You can just see all the products are super nice. I love it. The lip color is really nice. Like the bottle is very interesting. The color is nice. Then Kaolin clay is very, very, very useful product. Then I have these vitamin E and aloe vera facial oil, which is again very good for your skin and useful product. So yes, overall I like it. I love it like always. And the total worth of all the product is 1250 rupees. So you can just see you are just paying 279 rupees. You are getting product rupees 1250. So I think it's a good deal. And if you ask me, yes, just go ahead and buy this box. I love it. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.